Hi there, Harry Alexander, life transition coach. I help people to get through transitions successfully. Now, these are very delicate times and the change is massive. The amount of stress that each one is going through is humongous. It's just too big. And when a person is under a lot of stress, what happens? There is a crack that appears in the armor. And because of the huge burden that we are carrying, for example, people are losing jobs, people have been told there is pay cuts, you have to work from home, your work and your life and everything is totally, there's a huge fusion which has happened. And when you go through this magnitude of change, there is bound to be cracks. There are cracks in the relationship, there is a crack at work between people, there's a internal crack that is happening because of what is happening right now. And whenever you see a crack, the first thing that comes to mind is, oh, if there is a crack, this is going to lead to a breakdown. And we don't want to go through a breakdown, nor do we want others to go through a breakdown, because we will have to suffer through the act of putting them together. So what do? The moment you see that somebody is cracking up, first thing is patch it up. Let us put a band-aid, quick fix, so that there is no more breakdown happening. In the act of putting band-aid on a crack that is appearing, what are we actually doing? Instead of allowing the pain, the anxiety and the suffering and the complaints which are within that person to come out through the crack, we are stopping them from emerging out. And in the process, we are bottling up the stress inside. And the next time, there might not be a small crack, it could be a big explosion. So the next time you feel that you are going through this stress and there is a crack appearing in the armor that you have around you, allow that person to express himself or herself. Let the pain ooze out. And when that comes out, there can be light which can go in. And that is the reason that the crack is appearing. Not for a breakdown, but to mend, to give some kind of a release to that person. So you be a presence just there listening. Don't take it personally when a person comes and complains to you. Allow that person to complain and let that flow happen. And in the bargain, you'll be able to give your light to that person. All the best, and don't run away from cracks believing that there will be a breakdown, but let there be healing. Bye for now.